Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Angel here, what it do? And today you guys, I am here with another unboxing. So if you want to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright you guys, so as you can see, what I have is in this really big box, y'all. This box is huge, look. Like, can y'all see the whole box? This is a massive box. Okay. So, this particular order, you guys, I went on their site, and their site, it was sold out on. Come on. I got to order me a box cutter, y'all. I'm always on Amazon as of late. I need a box cutter. Anyway, this particular item was sold out on the site. But the seller posted they have a link on the Amazon. So I went to said Amazon and purchased this. This is something that I typically would not carry. As you can tell, it's big as ever. Girl, okay. Ooh. It's really massive, you guys. This is not an everyday piece. Okay. Oh, girl. This is massive. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look. This is how it comes. Packaged. Ouch. Oh, and I just got my nails on. This is how it is. Let me move this box. Dang, that hurt. Oh, I hurt my thumb, y'all. Oh, that hurt. Anyway, this is how it comes, okay? And what I got is a Brandon Blackwood bag. This dust bag is everything. I have purchased from Brandon Blackwood in the past. I had a mini trunk. I wound up selling that to one of you guys because it was just a little too small, and I never reached for that bag ever. So I got, y'all, look at this. There's something else in here. Alright y'all, it seemed like it was something else in the bag, but it wasn't. But what I got is the Brandon Blackwood Nia Duffel in brown. This bag comes in 3 different colors. It comes in black, it comes in brown, and it comes in green. And y'all, I was so torn between the brown and the green. But the brown wore one off. I asked my kiddo, and she's like, get the brown. But yeah, look how big this bag is. Oh. It's nylon. This was one of Oprah's favorite things this year. This bag does have some weight to it. I don't know if it's something in here, but let's look together. But I love how it has the B on here. This will be a travel bag, y'all. I plan on, if I can't really go anywhere this year, I do plan on having a few staycations. So when I go on my staycations, yes, and I love it has a top handle. It does come with a strap. It has silver hardware, as you can see here. But it's so minimal. There are no feet on the bottom. Oh, Lord. I almost dropped her. There is no pocket in the back. How this back look? Oh, my God. It's big, y'all. Okay, let's open her. Okay. There is like a magnetic way to open her. Oh, it's 3 points. So there's two. It's this one in the middle and there's one on each side. Okay. Girl, we got to sit her down for a second. So this is how she looks on the inside. There is a big zipper compartment in the back. Okay, so as you can see, there is a big zipper in the back. Here is the crossbody strap. On the other side, here are 3, 2. There are, girl, hold on. Let's get her together. Okay, on this side, there are 2 pockets right here. This is leather on the inside. Is it all the way through? Yeah, girl. The entire inside of the bag is leather. It's just nylon here. Oh, this is so big and spacious and roomy. Oh my God, y'all. The pocket goes all the way to the bottom of the bag. And this is like a little brand of Blackwood care booklet. Yo, this is so nice. I love it. Okay, y'all, so let's see. Y'all got big arms. And look, girl, is big arm friendly. Oh my God. She is nice. I'm on my tippy toes, y'all. Oh my God, look. I love it. I see why Oprah loved it. I love the fact that I did get the brown. Like I said, I was torn between the brown and the green, but I am oh so happy with this. Oh my gosh. Come on, Brandon. And like I said, it does come with a crossbody strap. It is adjustable. The strap is adjustable. Yo, this is so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh my God, I love it. Yes, ma'am. Get into her. I love it. Alright, you guys, so that pretty much concludes this unboxing of this beauty right here. Oh, price, y'all. This is only $300. This is only girl. I'm trying to talk myself out of getting like the black one, like all 3 of them, but I know I don't need all 3 of them, but I love it. $300, y'all. Y'all can't beat this. This is everything. So that concludes this unboxing. If you all enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love y'all. And I will see you all later. Bye.